After consulting with companies across industries for the past year, I've uncovered why most data strategies collapse in the AI era, and how to ensure yours doesn't. Keep scrolling to transform your approach. Nearly 70% of data initiatives fail to deliver expected value. Organizations are treating data as a technical challenge rather than a comprehensive business transformation. In the AI era, creating an ecosystem where data flows seamlessly to create value has never been more important or more complex. Teams resist adopting new data-driven approaches when they've relied on intuition for years. Employees worry that embracing data tools means engineering their own obsolescence, creating passive resistance to adoption. Information hoarding creates territories where data sharing is seen as a threat to personal value rather than organizational benefit. I work with a financial services firm where the data science team built an incredible customer churn prediction model that nobody used. The sales team had been using their gut instinct for decades and didn't trust the black box. This isn't just an annoyance, it's the #1 killer of data initiatives. Outdated systems that don't communicate with each other create data islands that prevent holistic analysis. Inconsistent, incomplete, or inaccurate data makes AI outputs unreliable and undermines trust. Systems not designed for AI workloads struggle to handle the computational demands of modern analytics. I recently worked with a healthcare provider trying to implement predictive analytics while running 30-year-old patient management systems. The technical debt was overwhelming, making real-time data access nearly impossible. The solution wasn't rip and replace, it was creating intelligent middleware layers to bridge old and new while modernizing incrementally. Each department holds valuable data, but the real magic happens when they're combined. Siloed departments create duplicate collection efforts, inconsistent metrics, and decisions based on partial information. One manufacturing client discovered they were making production decisions without incorporating customer feedback data from support tickets. Information that could have prevented costly inventory issues. This blind spot existed because operations and customer service data lived in separate worlds, never intersecting to create valuable insights. Leadership with real authority and commitment to data-driven transformation is crucial. Explaining why, not just what, to build understanding and buy-in. Programs designed for different user groups and skill levels. Quick successes to build momentum and demonstrate value. A retail client created a Data Champions program, identifying influential employees across departments to model and encourage new data-driven behaviors. Their adoption rates were 3x higher than industry averages. This approach recognized that technology adoption is fundamentally a social process, not just a technical one. Committees with representation from all departments to establish shared data standards and priorities. Initiatives with shared metrics and joint ownership that incentivize cooperation rather than competition. Regular sessions where departments present insights, creating opportunities for cross-pollination of ideas. A financial services company implemented data insight sessions where different departments presented findings from their data. This simple practice led to several million-dollar opportunities when patterns were recognized across departmental boundaries that would have remained invisible in siloed analysis. AI handles repetitive analysis, detects patterns in massive datasets, and processes information at scale without fatigue. Humans provide context, ethical judgment, creative problem-solving, and the ability to understand nuance and exceptions. Systems where humans validate AI outputs and provide corrections, allowing both to improve over time. I work with a legal firm implementing contract analysis AI. They found that having paralegals review a 10% random sample of AI-processed documents not only caught edge cases but helped continuously improve the algorithm. This human-in-the-loop approach created better results than either humans or AI could achieve alone. Establishing measurable data quality metrics and acceptable thresholds. Implementing systems to continuously check data against quality standards. Assigning responsibility for quality to those who create the data. Conducting periodic deep reviews to identify systemic issues. One healthcare provider implemented a data quality scorecard visible to their entire organization. Departments competed to improve their scores, turning data quality from an IT concern into an organizational priority. This gamification approach created engagement across all levels and dramatically improved their data reliability. Forward-thinking companies are quantifying and valuing their data assets financially, recognizing them as capital rather than byproducts. Organizations are creating data products and services as entirely new revenue streams from existing information. Proprietary datasets are becoming competitive moats that competitors cannot easily replicate or acquire. A manufacturing client began anonymizing and aggregating their equipment performance data, creating an industry benchmarking service that now represents 15% of their revenue. A business that didn't exist 3 years ago. This transformation from internal operational data to valuable market intelligence exemplifies the strategic asset approach. Automating cleaning, normalization, and integration of data from multiple sources. Identifying correlations and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to discover manually. Generating business-friendly explanations of complex data findings. Tailoring information presentation to different stakeholder needs and preferences. A retail client implemented an AI system that automatically generates product recommendations based on inventory levels, margin analysis, and trend data. The system doesn't make decisions. It empowers buying teams with insights they couldn't possibly generate manually, allowing them to focus on strategic decisions rather than data analysis. Critical thinking, creativity, and ethical judgment are human skills that AI cannot replace. These skills are essential for questioning assumptions, imagining novel applications, and making responsible decisions. As data and AI systems grow more complex, translating technical insights into business language becomes increasingly valuable. Organizations seeing the highest ROI from data investments are those investing in human capabilities alongside technology. To achieve data strategy success, start by assessing your current maturity. Identify high-value problems, form a cross-functional team, implement quick wins, and scale cultural change to drive broader adoption and transformation. Implementing tools and systems is straightforward compared to changing how people work. Successful data strategies are recognized as business transformation initiatives, focusing on culture, challenges, and opportunities. Successful organizations establish formal cross-functional governance with representatives from all departments. This ensures data serves the entire organization rather than individual silos, preventing fragmentation and ineffectiveness. Balancing speed and quality involves rapid prototyping, gathering user feedback, iterative improvement, and scaling success. These steps help create effective data products and expand proven approaches across the organization. Many organizations invest in data tools but neglect the skills needed to use them effectively. Successful companies implement tiered data literacy programs, creating a common language around data for all employees. Transforming data from a cost center to a value creator involves improving operational efficiency, enhancing customer experience, and generating new revenue streams. This strategic investment sees returns across multiple dimensions. The AI era demands a different approach to data strategy, balancing technology with human wisdom and breaking down silos. Organizations that treat data as a strategic asset will thrive, recognizing it as a business transformation initiative. Addressing cultural challenges, breaking down silos, and focusing on long-term value creation can turn data into a strategic asset. The journey is not easy, but the rewards are transformative, helping organizations thrive in the AI era.